Hi guys, Andrew at Impress Computers here. Wanted to go over a couple different things that we offer here. Primarily any kind of AutoCAD or video rendering options. We have those here for you. We construct, we can build whatever you bring to us. We offer that. We have here the Corsair 5000D, unbelievable case as far as space is concerned. If you're trying to get some extra drives for CAD video rendering, you'll need some extra storage. You have hard disk drive space, you've got solid state drives, you've got NVMe ports everywhere. You also have the availability with the right motherboard. You can get a top of the line chip here at Impress Computers. We offer Ryzen 9 5950Xs, i9, i5, i12 12th gens, all of them. We have 2060s here in stock, 3080 Ti's from the ground up. We put in Western Digital. If you need any specific drives, we'll order them for you. Anything special, case, drive, graphics card, you can just give us a call. 281-647-9977. Thanks guys.